I've been on a bit of a smart home kick lately. I've been doing some renovations, changing some rooms up, and in the process adding technology that just helps, keep an eye on what's going on and automate different processes so that my home feels nicer. And well, I think there's a few good places for starting points because they add for both convenience and security. So that would be a smart doorbell and a smart lock. And so when Lockly reached out and wanted to sponsor this video and send over this, the Lockly Vision, well, I think it was perfect because it is not only a smart lock, but it also is a smart doorbell. So you get a bunch of functionality built into one product. So it's kind of a kill two birds with one stone situation, and this thing is packing a ton. Now for me, I'm personally installing this in my home because that's where I would use it most, but I think the Vision is a perfect solution if you're someone that has an office or if you're someone that runs rentals or has other properties, because it is such an easy installation and it, covers all those different areas in one. So it means you can spend less money, install less things, but get the same functionality, which is really nice. Now, when you get this package, there is a lot packed into this box. So you get the mounting hardware, which I'll talk about installation in a second. You get all the hardware to make it work, including the deadbolt. You get all the cables you need. And another interesting feature, which again, I'll talk about more in a second, is this Secure Link Wi-Fi hub. So this actually plugs into your router so it can communicate to the lock. And this comes with it as well with all the cables needed. Now, when you pull this thing out, this is rather beefy, but that's because it's packing everything inside. It's got so many features. But after you take everything out, the installation is super simple. If you have ever changed a lock on your door, this is going to be just as easy. It just happens to have a few more features. So you just take your old lock off. You then insert the new deadbolt, pass the outside of the lock through the deadbolt holes and make sure you pass the wire through. Then on the other side, on the inside of the door, you put the other mounting plate, connect them all together, screw them together, and really that's it. There's not much else to the installation. Once it's installed, you can go into the setup process, and this is where you're going to want to plug in that Wi-Fi hub to your router so that everything is connected. You just insert the batteries, download the Lockly app, and from there you can go through the process of setting it up. And this is where you can see all the features and set them up how you'd like. Now, from a design standpoint, I think Lockly did a good job of incorporating all of these features into a still pretty sleek and efficient design. So you have things like the proprietary Pen Genie keypad for securely entering codes. There is a physical keyhole that is covered up, but you can easily access by flipping this panel over. On top, you have the camera for that two-way communication and doorbell functionality. And then on the side, there's even a fingerprint sensor, so you don't have to enter a code. You can just use your finger instead. And at the very least, the design doesn't get in the way at all. Once it's installed, it just looks like it belongs on the door. Now for me, when it comes to smart locks, one of my favorite things about them is that it just makes getting into your house so much easier. I absolutely hate carrying keys. The least amount of keys I can carry, the better. And luckily I've gotten to the point now where the only key I need to carry is my car key. And that's thanks to things like the Lockly Vision. And what's really nice about this is I don't even need a code because it has that biometric fingerprint sensor built in. It's right here on the side of the lock. And this is a 3D biometric fingerprint sensor, which if you've ever used, like a smartphone that has a fingerprint sensor built in, it's a very similar experience here. This can actually unlock your lock in 0.3 seconds, which is super fast. And this is an award-winning fingerprint smart lock. So, you get that convenience, it's super fast and it's super secure. And this is a game changer for a lock. You don't have to think about a code. You don't have to remember your keys. You just walk up and tap it and you're in. But of course, if you wanted to use codes or you wanted to get a code to someone else that just needed access to your property or your house or wherever, you do have that option as well, which is nice. So, for the everyday, I can scan my fingerprint, but if someone needs to access, they can enter in a code or vice versa, whatever you want to do. You have those options. It just makes getting in super easy. Now, apart from the lock, you also have that camera. So this gives you two-way communication. So through this, you can remotely view what is going on at your door, and you can also communicate back and forth. So if a package comes in, you need to, talk to the delivery driver, or someone, unsolicited comes to the door, you want to see what's going on. It is always great to be able to see what is happening in front of your property. And even more just practically, I don't know, maybe you have a teenager who just got their driver's license, they're out, and you want to make sure they got home. You can, see it on your phone without having to check. That's just one example, but just being able to see what's happening, who's going in and out of your house, who is in front of your house, it just brings that level of peace of mind that once you have it, it is very hard to go back. And like I said, it's not only for the camera, but you can also communicate back and forth. So you have that voice option as well. Sounds clear. And I think that's one of the benefits you get with having that Wi-Fi connection. It just has a much more stable connection, which means it's fast and reliable. And with that, you also get the remote control and monitoring. So not only can you see what's happening, but you can see the status of the lock. So you can go into the Lockly app, see if your door is locked, and if it is, you can unlock it or vice versa. You can also get alerts and push notifications in real time. So if something does happen, you're able to see that. And if it wasn't you, you could, take action on that. Plus with that camera, you can get alerts on, motion, or if someone is at the door, so that if, you're not expecting it or you just missed something, you're gonna get that alert on your phone, which is really nice. Again, it's having all of those smart features at your fingertips that just give you that peace of mind. Now, another thing Lockly integrated here, which I think is really nice, is something called air transfer. One of the pain points of these is the installation. Like I said, very easy to do, but it is still a process. And one of the things that air transfer lets you do is automatically just transfer all of the settings and, fingerprints, all of that stuff over to a new lock. So, I have this one on my front door, but if I wanted to install one on the side door, I could just do that and transfer everything over and quickly have it up and running. It takes the installation from being easy to being like super easy. And along with that, because these are Wi-Fi enabled locks, that means I can set them up from anywhere. So let's say I'm on vacation and I forgot that I needed to give my grandma access to the house to check on my dog. Let's just say that was a scenario. Well, because it's Wi-Fi enabled, I can set that up in the app and be ready to go. I don't have to worry about it from there. That's another area where having that Wi-Fi connectivity makes a lot of sense. So yeah, if you're looking for a really great all-in-one system that gives you that smart lock functionality and security, and also gives you that camera access and basically smart doorbell functionality, this is one of the best options out there. The Lockly Vision is packing pretty much everything you could want inside. So if you'd like to buy one of these for yourself, check it out and learn more. I'll leave links down below. This is where you can see my code, which will give you a discount if you use the link in the description. So be sure to check it out and use it. But yeah, once you start using a smart lock and have that video capability at your front door, it's really hard to go back.